Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to book a flight on Expedia app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly book a flight here on Expedia? Well, booking a flight is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to the official website or app. Go ahead and click on or access the expedia.com website. Now, in here, we need to first verify or select the correct options. Now, since we want to book a flight, we want to make sure that you click on the flights option instead of the stays option. Now, you want to go ahead and specify if it's a round trip, which in this case, you'll be going to a country and also returning from your country of origin. Now, if it is a one-way trip, choose one-way, or if you want to stop over to multiple city, choose multi-city. But for now, let's go and choose round trip. Now, let's go ahead and specify the from location. So, as an example, maybe I want to say this is going to be from the Philippines. So, let's go ahead and enter it. So, it's maybe I am flying from the Manila, Philippine International, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. And we are going to go to the following airport. So, let's say we are going to go to Australia. Now, in here, you need to specify the airport. So, maybe I want to say I'm going to Brisbane. Now, you want to specify the date. So, in this case, maybe I am leaving on the 6th of January and I'll be returning on the 13th of January. Let's go and click on done. Now, from here on, you could go ahead and add a place to stay or add a car here if you want to add those. But for now, let's go and click on search. Now, it should give you different options to choose from for depending on the flight. So, by the way, the prices here might be, in this case, might be different depending on the season. So, if you are getting this issue here, just reload the page again. Now, also, by the way, if you don't see any options or the flights isn't available to you here, it's going to say error. It means there aren't any available flights on the website for Expedia for that. But in this case, if you do see the following pop-ups or in this case menu here, you can go and just select your flight. So first is we need to choose our departing flight, which is in this case your country of origin to the destination. So let's go ahead and choose the appropriate one. Now you want to go ahead and choose the option here. So depending, the price actually depends on which airline it is. So we have Philippine Air Asia, Scoot, and a lot more. So let's go ahead and choose this one. And from here, let's go ahead and click on select. Now, next is we want to go and choose the returning flight. So we have Philippine Air Asia. Let's go ahead and click on it and click on select. Now, from here on, it should redirect us to another page here, which in this case, we'll need to enter some flight details or confirm a few things. So first is we need to review the trip itself. So let's just wait for it to load up. So here are the details of our flight. So you can go expand this one. Make sure that everything is correct here. Also take note of the time here, as you can see right now. Also have the airfare or the fare itself. So we have carry-on included. First check bag fee, which is around the following price. So it is non-refundable and changes are not allowed. So it's seats for these flight is not, or you will not be able to choose it. But in some cases, some flights allows you to do that. So if you do have that option, you should be able to choose it in here. Now from here, we have the bags option, so if you want to add additional bags. But once you've confirmed all the details, just click on checkout. And from here on, just go and click on go to checkout. And you just want to fill out all the necessary information. That includes the travel name here, the title, and the payment method that you want to use for your flight. Now, once you fill out all the necessary information here and read all the information, so in this case, the airline liability and limitations, some details, privacy statements, government travel advice, and terms of use, you can go and click on complete booking here to book your flight, and from then on you should be able to receive a confirmation via email. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.